Josh James. I'm a centralized diagnostic tech here at Jack Cooper Imports Mercedes. One thing I really enjoy about working here is the enjoyment of the people here. Everybody gets along very well. It's a very fun place to work. And today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a key battery in your key fob. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace this battery. This is one of the common keys, very easy to replace on here. All there is a little tab right here. You'll slide this over, lift the key up, flip your key over. Right here there's a little button. You'll just take your key, push it right there. Back plate comes off. Take this, just flip it over, take your battery out, brand new one. Put your battery in, negative side down. You put your plate back on, take your key, and just slide it back in, and she's ready to go. Hi, Josh James again. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't want to replace the battery yourself, you're welcome to come by the dealership at any time. Come up on the service drive and we'll replace this battery for you free of charge. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.